forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more of Abbi's madness. What's up, guys? I know you're good girl there. I'm back at it again with more of Abbi's madness. And guys, listen to me already. Listen to a good girl already. That means a sleeper kill me. I know if I do that video for money, but too much nice. Did I go on? I make some kid in my video, so I'm going to wait until in the night. But sleeper box me kill me. So anyways, guys, as you can see by the title, we're going to talk about period, girls for them period. And man, when you watch this, I want to tune in to come and teach you know the things that woman go through. Because maybe a woman talk to you about them something, you know. But me, they are on a good girl there for talk to them about them something. I spit my spit. Every time I talk about my spit, I'm very sorry. I didn't mean it. Yes, guys, so if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you run go over to my couple channel, Abbi and Kepo JA with me and people man. Yes, I love people man. People man nice, huh? Comfortable. And follow me on Instagram down below because your good girl take some picture of that hairstyle, you know. Your good girl take some picture of that hairstyle, your good girl come right out. So go and go follow me on Instagram. Answer. So anyways, come back, yes, Abbi, come. When you come, I don't want to learn, I don't want to hear, I don't want to miss me. Because I see some people in the comment section about a couple channels say, Abbi, we need more madness. So I'm going to say, people, I'm so come over there, I'm so come over there. So anyways, guys, we're going to talk about period. For me, Jesus not telling you for me. People, want to come closer. Want to come closer. Want to see me? Want to see me? You come, I read my good girl was sleeping now. Anyways, guys, for me, it's like when I have two different type of period. The period where you come with slightly, you know, slightly, look a pain, and then you have the period of death. Bad enough for us, so if you feel the pain, but then we have to see blood too. Lord Jesus, blood clot. We have to see blood too. Don't come here, man. Don't come here. Think it no last 1, not 2 days. That shit lasts 5 days. Well, sometimes, but Jesus Christ, some people will last almost 2 weeks. I don't know how them survive. Jesus, I don't know how them survive, I swear. Yesterday, evil period, they come like say somebody just have a cutlass and just go so roo, up in your uterus. A uterus period come from? A uterus period come from? I know say come from some in the ovaries, you know, the egg come out of the ovaries and so. I must in a uterus, though, yes. And that's so, because it tear down wall in your uterus. Yeah, I go to school. Tear down the wall in your uterus. I don't know some about it. I don't know why look at egg and whatever. People come right here. But imagine you just lie down in your bed. You're in a slightly pain, you know. And then out of nowhere, boop, a piece of pain lick you. Come like say you want to fly off of the bed or fly somewhere. You just want to fly. The way pain at. Why? Why, God, why? And you know the hottest thing, you see some man out there, some man have the audacity to come look by you and say,
shut the money man, I tell you that hot. Backside man.
out and bright. Anyways, guys, some girl, them use either a pad or a tampon. You know say, but trying a tampon thing at one time, you know. And best believe you made something could not go up. When a good girl just too extra tight, it can't go in. It could not go in. Man, I say people who actually use this and go up, you know, tight it up. But when a good girl teeth, when a good girl teeth. We use the pad, guys. But Jesus Christ, sometimes the pad is uncomfortable because it's on the left, right, up, down, in a steady sometimes. Sometimes they in a certain clothing, you have to fret, you know. A serious thing we have to go through as woman, man. A serious thing. So woman might not go through it, you know. Because me say this, when you have a tampon, you don't have to fret so much. But when you have on this blow, especially with the big one, them like Jesus. But overall, I'm rather use pad because what else am I going to use? Leaf? But me use leaf! You weird bitch. So anyways, guys, sometimes the way the period hot, me have to dip on the ground and say, ah! I got the Eve fast and I was girl Eve. Jesus Christ, God, just take me down to blow.
Okay, my daughter.
Hey, Bill. Other girls like actually I go through a period, including myself, because Jesus, I'm multiple times me nearly dead from period. I'm multiple times me nearly admit, like Jesus from period. So period overall, guys, me not like it, but hate it. Me hate everything about it, and every day, every time, me I cuss the girl Eve. Yes, dirty Eve. Every minute me I cuss she. You know when period bad? When you have to go to school, if you're a teenager, so when you have to go to school, period just not nice when you have to go to school. Cause guess what? It's like when you go and you sit down in one chair, right? And you there for good couple minutes. And then by the time you're ready to get up, it's like we start fret. We start fret and I said, Jesus Christ, I wonder if we close nasty up. I wonder if this, I wonder if that. We start fret and so either we sit down in that chair, take time, jog around with, you know, with uniform, and I see if it depends on it and so, I will ask one of our friends, bad, make you go sneeze. Make you as a woman for your period go sneeze. Guys, male, you know, listen. It come like a river wash down. Some of the time the way it's so wicked, me I feel look at that run for my foot. I see what something me I telling you. When you come back, man, I'm telling you more. Yes, a period. Sometimes we have girl that go through one bag of different emotions. I see you something next. We're happy, not even happy. We're good with baby. We ask baby if you give you a belly rub, because sometimes we want to look a belly rub. Boop, when you look at so we start cussing you as men. We just a cussing you so.
Yeah, but we have touched before.
Abbi, you don't touch belly.
Come on!
The mood swings them, okay, I control it, but me ask you as a man for cope with the madness, cope with the craziness, because I know how far be a dirty girl Eve. Yes, dirty girl Eve. My heart for her. I don't like a bone in her. I know the sad part about it, you know. You see some man, when the woman they palm period, them decide to cheat, but make my never blood clot try. I not stop the body, not stop that as soon. Anyways, my period supposed to come on next week, guys. I start fret, cause guess what? I don't know if the period pain I can go through, and the period will come for kill me. I see you someone go on. Uno wanna go through the period of death. Uno lucky. Uno got away. Because you know, could take this, and some man can experience them type of pain, you know. Some man can experience period pain. If you enjoy the video, you should hit that button, subscribe if you know, and as I say, if you know I see me and people, man, just fly over to Abbi and Capo JA. I remember following a good girl on Instagram down below. Yes, a good girl at a base stay good picture. So even though I get big and fat and stay, but that is people may get big and fat and stay, but good girl so go on there, a good girl birthday so come November 17th. Blood clot. Lick it down, eat that girl. Is it? Yeah, guys. Until then, your good girl is out. Bye.